Hello, BPC, Taria Vision Avant here. So, listen, first things first, you guys know that you have an all in one software. This software will allow you to sell your own books, it'll allow you to email your customers, text message them. You could even WhatsApp message your contacts. You can send Facebook messages, Instagram messages. There's just so much that you could do with this software. But first, you have to log in. To log in, all you have to do is go to APP, which stands for application. app.bpcsystem.com, app.bpcsystem.com, and it will then take you to a page that looks like this. In order to log in, you're going to need your email, which is your username, and your password. Now, your email is the email that you used to sign up into Book Profits Club. So whatever that is, that's going to be it. Now, if you don't know your password, then you can always click right here, forgot password. You are going to have a password to log into the software. All right. Now, to log into the software, once you log in, it's going to look something like this. I'm going to pull up another page so you guys can see. All right. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to see a whole lot of different things. You might see it'll pull you up to the dashboard. It'll say something as far as like you might need to integrate things, connect things, etc., etc. The very first place you want to go. Sorry, I had to slow down and say that though, but the very first place y'all want to go is over here on the bottom left-hand side. It says BPC System Training. BPC System Training. This is going to get you started. Okay. Now, regardless if it is you or your assistant, you might hire a VA that can help you with the software. I mean, you can literally find you a VA anywhere between $4 to $10 an hour, and you can have them work for you 2 hours a day. It doesn't have to be extensive. So if you know you're not a techie and you want a VA, you need to go and get you one. Now, there is a training that talks about getting a VA in the courses, and so just make sure you go into the speakers and trainers to get access to it. But this is where you need to go, guys. You have to make sure all these things are set up. For example, you want to go right here to quick start. Under quick start, you're going to go through each one of these. Okay, each one of these. Now, there are some things that may be a little bit confusing. For example, A2P registration. This has to be done by anybody sending out text messages, no matter what software you're using. So if you're having a little difficulty with this, we actually have our staff who can help you do this for you for a very small fee. You literally anywhere between $25, $50 to $75 per task. This is helpful because for those of us who are like, okay, I don't really want to hire a VA yet, but I'll just pay someone to do this for me, they can do it. You also need to purchase a phone number. This is going to be the number that you use to send out messages. And even if you already have a business line, you can still have it forwarded. The number is only going to cost you about $1 or so. Also, you need to add a domain. This is very important. Everybody needs to add a domain to their system so that when emails go out, it goes out with your custom domain. Okay, so make sure you have a domain added. Now, other than that, there's some additional things. You can walk through the CM, which shows you different things like the launchpad, dashboard, everything, automations, right? You can go here to understanding basics, how to send an email blast, how to send an email campaign, how to create a contact form, create a funnel. These are all basics right here where you can go. So you want to go through these items. And again, I'm going to stress it. If you know that this is something maybe that you're not necessarily going to want to do all these different tasks, you can always hire a VA. But these trainings right here are under 5 minutes or less. Even if you sat down and said, okay, I am going to dedicate to watch at least 1 to 2 videos per day, you'll be able to get through this in a month and have your stuff set up. You'll know how to send out emails, text messages, everything. All right. Okay. If you have any questions, of course, you can use the Telegram chat. Go to the section that talks about the BPC system. There is a section in the Telegram chat that says BPC system. If you have to send a message that is going back and forth so that we are not overwhelming our BPC members and you need to speak to support, you are welcome to send an email to our BPC system support. Please know that she only handles support for the BPC system. She does not handle support for the Author All Stars website. She doesn't handle support for any kind of graphic design. She only handles support for BPC system. Also, if you want our team to do something for you, if you want them to create a capture page, create emails, to set up your A2P, there is a fee for that. So you are always welcome to use our support to have help to ask questions. But if you're saying, hey, I just rather you do it for me, then there is a small fee for that. And all you need to do is click on the link below the video to get that done. All right, BPC, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye for now.